Sorry, boy. And the kid got the dog.
Oh, that's awesome. What else do you see in the book?
There was a donation and the cat.
Oh, cool.
And the cat got scared.
Oh, why did the cat get scared?
That's a donation. Why the donation so big? And we got the dog. He's jumping over the person.
To catch the frisbee?
Yes. Then the mommy kissing a girl. then we don't know what else in the story.
There's a lot of good ones in that book, huh?
Then.
Oh my god. Alright.
Let's see how long he held on my.
I need to tie my shoe.
Hold it.
Oh, that was cool. So we have.
Needed the flip.
Yeah. So it's my favorite type of day. It is cloudy. It's so cloudy out here. Like, look at that. You cannot see the sun. It would be over there, but it's very cloudy. You got a great view of the neighborhood over here.
Hey,
and the little park.
Look.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
Hold on. Hold on to it right. Now watch this.
I'm gonna watch you go down the slide. Can you watch you down the slide?
What?
You're gonna go down the slide?
Mom, watch me.
That's so cool.
We're coming back.
Okay.
We're going on the new.
So we're here at the park on a really cloudy day, but it's cute. We just went on a trip to the Dollar Tree. We've been MIA, so it's good. Cool how he's holding on. Oh, basically what I wanted to say is I'm so sorry that I've been MIA. I think it's about 2 weeks since I posted a video, and it's just been kind of wild. I guess just not vlogging because I didn't have any memory space on my phone. Then I put the memory. I'm gonna try to catch you. And it just, I don't know, you sometimes hit that rut where you just kind of don't want to vlog. And so that's kind of what happened. But I feel like now we're good. And I'm going to start vlogging again. Hopefully I'll keep going on schedule. What day is today? Today is Thursday.
Bye. My friend is trying to race me.
I'm going to race you. Come on, let's go. Together.
Get set, go.
I'm going. Are you going?
Me one.
You won. How do you know that you won?
Because my friend go faster.
You're right, because your slide is straight down. Sebastian's attention is like 2 seconds. We're like, oh, we're into drums, and then it's like gone. But basically, we are at the park. This is my favorite time to come to the park. I hate coming to the park whenever it's super sunny. I have come to the park when it's super sunny if it's cold outside. But if it is like hot, and we've been getting weather that's like in the 80s/90s lately, so you haven't been able to go outside when it's like 3 o'clock. But today, because it is cloudy, it's manageable, and it's 88 degrees out here, but it feels like 73, so it's not 73, 75, so it's not too bad.
I go down.
Yeah, out here, otherwise we wouldn't be. Oh man, again? You just don't stop, do you?
No.
All right, let's go again. And do you seriously need to go poop? Ben just told me he has to go poop. He just said he has to go poop. And
Go to a house and go back to his park.
oh, so go to the house so that you can take a poop and then come back to the park.
Yes.
I don't think so, baby. Then we'll go to the playground in the backyard. We'll go to your clubhouse. How about that? Go down the slide one more time, and then we're going so that you can go potty.
Mom.
Don't know what we're gonna do.
Mom, pick me up.
Oh yeah.
Pick me up here.
1, 2, 3. Got it?
Yeah.
You're doing that super fast.
Now
You
what?
got it.
Now what I can do?
You gotta go to the other side. Got it.
Oh,
That was a great job.
now I'm going up here.
Okay.
Oh, we don't leave my party in here.
No, we don't do the fireman pull. Mommy's not tall enough to catch you. The fireman pull is a little dangerous. Okay. Get back, get back, get back. There you go. He really is, huh?
Ah! Don't want to hold on. We don't want to hold on. We don't want to hold tight.
You're sitting down, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Long.
Look at that.
Because it's a spooky door. Ooh, it's raining.
Yeah.
It's raining.
Let's go to the park one more time.
Oh, is it time to go yet?
No.
But it's raining. He wants to stay. It's currently starting to rain and it's windy. We're super sweaty. We've been running around. And Sebastian wants to. Don't you?
Let me close it, now we open it. Now come catch me.
I'm not catching you while you rain with an umbrella. You're so cute. The storm is coming. It's gonna blow you away. The storm is coming. Are you ready to go home?
No.
It's time to go home. It's storming.
No. Mom, hold me.
Because you're ready to go home? Now
Yeah.
it's starting to storm.
But I can't get my Gatorade.
No, we won't forget it. We'll bring it. The storm that's like almost drizzling. He is on the way home and he called us and he was like, "You're out at the park?" And I'm like, "Yes." And he was like, "It is storming like on the way home." So then I was like, "Oh, so you're bringing the storm." So I told him we're about to go. It feels great out here though. It is kind of sprinkling, but it's like, feels great. I don't know if anyone else loves rain like this when it's, I love summer rain. Summer rain is wonderful because it's like, you've had so many days where it kind of is just like, but then if it rains consecutive.
Me love rain.
You do?
Yeah, me like to jump at muddy puddle too.
Yeah, let's go put on our boots so that we can jump in muddy puddles at home. Is that a great idea?
Yeah.
Let's go do that. Come on. So unless it rains consecutively for like weeks, I don't like that. I really don't like that. But if it rains after it's been sunny for like a very long time, I love it. I think we're about to go home. There's Camille all by herself, lonesomely. Sebastian, let's go. Let's go. You're looking cute. All by herself over there. Again, another race. Okay. You're thirsty? You're thirsty? So we're sitting in the car cooling off. It is hot in the car, not extremely, but it's, you know, getting there. And there's the windshield. It's kind of sprinkling. It's not too bad. I think we're gonna put on our rain boots and Sebastian's gonna put on his little rain jacket and outfit so that we can possibly jump in muddy puddles. No! Do not put those on. Those are not, that's not okay. These are actually prescription. Did that hurt your eyes?
No.
Did it look funny?
No.
What did it
Yeah.
do? I had to say,
Funny.
I was about to say, I'm sure it looked funny. Because those are mommy's prescription. You don't want to wear those. They hurt your eyes.
No, they didn't.
Yeah, but it looked funny, didn't it? Yes, it did. I bet it looked funny. Oh my gosh. There's no winning with you. About to put my hair back up, like I was going to put it back up in the ponytail that it's in. These at Dollar Tree. They're like $1 a piece. But look at these. Are the coolest scrunchies, and they are so thick. And I got a bunch of different colors. I got blue, green, white, pink, tan, and oh my goodness, something like this would cost you like way more anywhere else. Like come on. And these are.
Let me see. Let me look up there.
He's not in his car anymore. Oh, he's coming in our car. What are you doing?
That's blue.
Wait, we were gonna do something in the car since we were trapped in here.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Sebastián. We weren't ready to get out yet, Jeffrey.
Why?
Because,
Hey, that's splashing me in the face.
Sebastian's never done a glow stick before, and since it's dark in here, I was gonna get him to break it since we're kind of stuck in the car.
Oh, really? Well, you're not stuck in the car anymore. I got.
Thanks to you.
Yeah, but we can do glow stick in a dark room.
Alien, are you ready for the mud puddles? Let's go put on our rain boots. Oh, lightning. Lightning. No, not with your flippies. Let's go put on rain boots. What was that? Thunder. What I'm gonna ask you to do. Break it. With all your strength, break it. No, like from here, karate chop, break it. Not literally karate chop. I mean, break it. You can do it. You can do it. You need me to help you?
Yeah.
You can do it. Do it.
My muscle is not
Do it like
long
this.
enough.
Do this.
Do it on your. Okay, yeah, do it. Okay.
Stomp on it.
Alright, stomp on it then. I don't think it's working.
Okay.
Okay, Daddy's gonna help you. You hold it both together. Both of you guys hold it together with both hands.
Bend it. Bend it, Smash. All right.
Did you hear it?
You want me to do it?
The thunder was going the same time. Go karate chop it.
Ready again?
Karate chop it.
Ready again, Smash. You know what's that?
Yeah, go, go, go. Karate chop it.
Mom,
Yeah.
oh, you mean not long enough?
Yes, you are. Try it one more time. Try it one.
Don't do this hard.
Try it one more time. Whoa, Sebastian! No way. What are you, Green Lantern?
Mom, pull it up.
Okay, let me pull the balloon up. All right. Where have you?
No.
Wow. Okay, now put it in the balloon and see what happens. The whole balloon is gonna glow. Ooh la la! Now you have a glow in the dark balloon. There you go. You like the glow stick better, don't you?
Nice.
No, that is so cool. All right, let's go jump in muddy puddles. Coco, I'll get ready to go too. All right, come on. Think they're gonna run away? It's raining.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here.
yeah.
You wanna go right there?
Yeah.
I always use my own. Coco, this way.
Jump in it. Jump in it. Nice.
Oh my god, I need that. So go pick up Coco Puppy's poop. Could you get me a bag so I can pick up Coco Puppy's poop? Look at what we find. Oh my goodness, Marshall's on the muddy puddle over there. You need a boat. You need to go get a boat. Look at my sunflower. It finally bloomed. My sugar snap peas died. They're too sunny. They did bloom, but the reason why I didn't worry about them was because they were covered in these little bugs. But they were covered in these little bugs, so I knew I wasn't going to be able to salvage them. Like, look at that. They didn't grow, but like maybe the size of like half of my finger. Oh my god, Sebastián, you just wet me. Literally. With muddy puddle water. Ew. Come on, not fair. But anyways, I'm about to pull these out and probably plant something new there. And then our pumpkins, they're kind of blooming over here. So that's pretty cute. Blast. I thought we were gonna play in muddy puddles. You hear the thunder? Oh, you're trying to look for a boat. You need one from inside. You need a boat from inside. I was about to say, do not wet me with that muddy water. He literally wet me with the muddy water, Jeffrey. He got me right here. He got water from the muddy puddle with the little water gun and squirted. I know, look. You can literally see it's so yucky because he's pulling up nothing but mud. Let me see it there. Ew. I'm gonna need a shower or a bath. Sebastián's making a big mess. He's having a blast though.
Yeah, he is having a blast.
Sebastián just squirted Daddy and Daddy got mad. Okay, no more squirting us with that muddy water. That's yucky. He just squirted Jeffrey with that muddy water and okay, don't squirt anybody else. No, don't. That's not funny. That's gross. No, pick it up and put it back with your toys. You can't leave it out there. Come on. What's wrong?
Let's go get my phone.
Oh my gosh. Did you lose it? Good thing you know how to get it out. You're so funny. Oh, a frog! That's what you said. I didn't know. Leave him alone. Don't hurt him. Oh, what did you say, baby?
You love him.
You love him? Where did he go?
He went to the grass.
Oh, I see him. He's right there. Don't step on him. He's right here. See him?
Yeah.
Don't. I thought you said you love him. Why are you trying to blow air on him? Trying to blow air on him and you're saying you love him.
Yeah. Oh no! I'm gonna don't miss you, please. Where you are?
You're so cute.
What you want?
Are you ready to go inside?
No.
The rain is super heavy. Let's go. Bring your boat. It's bath time. Come on. Right here. I don't know. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to wait till the muddy puddle's gone. Did you drop him in the muddy puddle?
No. He just drove me in the muddy puddle.
Oh, he drove himself in the muddy puddle?
Yeah. Then he got stuck. Then he got stuck.
Oh my my god, are you sure about that? You have 5 minutes to look for him with the tractor. Look for him with the tractor. We're gonna go inside.